What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I am trading after a very long time, but I'm trading a very long time because what ended up happening, I passed my funded and then I almost got an payout, but I blew that account, so it was a lot of emotional damage. So I didn't want to even trade, so I have like 1 month pause, I think. But I am back and hopefully I will take a trade today. Yesterday there was very nice setup that I missed, but I don't I don't care about that now. So yeah, let's get to trending now. As you can see, the price I ended up marking my zone that I wanted to see. No, I mean I'm marking it right now, and the price already went below the 50% from the equilibrium and filling this small 5 minute gap. So also there's S&T between the Nasdaq and the ES. So this is quite a bullish setup. But okay, the market opened like 2 minutes ago, but I don't want to take a trade until the 1550 because there is a news 5 minutes from the macro time, and I don't want to trade in news 5 minutes or 5 minutes before or after the news. So I don't even know if the prop firm can allow you to trade the news, but I'm not sure. Also, I got a new monitor and mouse, so I hope this video that I'm recording will look better than the last ones. So yeah, so I'm gonna extend this SMT line because on the ES it's creating a lower high and higher high, and on the Nasdaq it's also filling this big ass gap, creating lower low and lower low. So I will now wait. Also on the 5 minute on the S&P 500 it filled this gap, and also it looks like the SMT will work for me. So now I just need to wait on the 1 minute and wait until the news came out. So the news came out in 10 minutes, so I need to wait 10 minutes. And I know the maybe the setup will probably go without me, so I might miss this trade. So we will see. I mean, I would enter right here because the on the 1 minute it already closed below those highs. So I would enter like here on the 1 minute, putting my stop loss here, but I think I'm gonna miss this trade, but we will see. I still want to wait. And I will be targeting, I mean, I'm not targeting, but I think I'm gonna use the Fibonacci today, so I will probably target this 190% rate. So yeah, let's just wait and see what happens next. Okay, the news comes like in 30 seconds, but what I have noticed is on the Nasdaq, it pushed above those highs, all-time highs, and the S&P 500 did not, so it is creating again like a potential S&T. So what am I expecting now is the news will maybe crash the market or just do nothing. So yeah, the news came out and let's see what happens. Or maybe the market will just go straight up without me even taking a trade. So Maybe this is what the market will do. Okay, so it is after the news, and it's pretty much happened nothing, but I still want to see what happens next because I just don't want to, okay, wait for news, and okay, when the news ends, you expect like nothing will happen. Sometimes the news can like impact the market like 10 minutes after the news, so it is better to stay like ready for something that maybe will happen. Also on the Nasdaq, it inversed this gap, so I will be like maybe I I might call it a day for now, but there is no gap I didn't see because I was looking like from side on my monitor and did not see nothing, so it was my fault. But still, we see bearish momentum, also feeling this wait, this 5 minute gap on the S&P. But still, I'm worried about this. What I mentioned, the S&P, like Nasdaq took those highs and ES did not, so I'm a little bit worried about that. So if I somehow enter a trade, it doesn't like reverse on me. Or maybe trading applied a new update because like new update about when I trade I lose, but when I don't trade, when I just watch the market and when I'm not on my phone and it's probably going to miss a setup, there will be the best setups on the world. Not on the world, in the entire universe. Like I swear aliens trade the Nasdaq. I swear that aliens trade Nasdaq because Nasdaq is live, bro. You can understand Nasdaq is live, bro. So yeah, maybe trading got a new update, but who knows? It could even went to the equilibrium, so I should probably just maybe just maybe in the future I will also do streaming when I have time because sometimes I don't have time for recording videos on my computer and I'm trading just on my phone, so that might change in the future. I swear, bro, it's lagging, bro. I might stop the video now because I need to go to the toilet and come back later. So yeah, I will do it now. Come back later. What happens next? Okay, I am back and I took a position on the toilet. So this is where I entered. Wait, I'm gonna get rid of this first. And basically, I wanted this 5 minute gap to be filled, and it was filled, but also I kept in mind and there is a 1 minute gap that might get filled, and I did not enter until the it was like inversed, and it ended up inversing the gap, so that's where I entered. Also, I'm probably not going to be worried about this what I showed earlier about the S&P because yes, the Nasdaq took those highs, but also I kept in mind uh, this S&P was created on the S&P 500. On the Nasdaq, it took those lows and also is feeling like this big ass gap that happened on like 1 hour before. So I I'm not worried about this thing. So yeah, if this trade close above this high, it was like this massive candle, I'm going to put my stop loss on the break even and just pause the video and then um, maybe unpause what will happen next. And yeah, and also if you wonder why I don't see some numbers on the screens, like why I don't see like I'm now in profit, like let's say 30 euros, uh it is because I'm using trading view for just charting, and I have my position on the phone, so you don't see the numbers, but I will open the prop firm thing, and I will then try to like show it on you what happens next. So yeah, just let's now wait. Little update for y'all. It's been 15 minutes or something. I don't even remember, but the price is just fucking doing nothing, bro. I swear it is like barcode as price action. And look, I didn't even place my break even point because it if it went up like bro, only 0.03%, I will be able to put my break even at the just break even, and now it's kind of reversing, but it's still not over for me. But I hope it doesn't just rails down because it didn't hit the key point that I wanted to. So it's I've been waiting here for like forever, bro. And I don't know if I'm gonna even hold it straight or close it in the next 10 minutes because I swear I told you in the beginning when I don't trade there's best setups, and when I trade there's the worst ones. So yeah, I will just update you maybe later. And just like this, I traded and lost the trade once again. Okay, bro. Like, imagine it only went up 0.03% and I would be like this. And now it's going to reverse at the all-time highs, just like before, just like every time I trade. So, yeah, I call it a day. And if you want to see more of this content, like and subscribe. See ya.